sock puppet.
Get up and try again.
Now's not a really good time for our stress. You know what I want to do? I want to make a scene with you. You just need your scene animals. Where are your scene animals?
I don't want to do scene animals.
That's fine. What do you say?
Can I play? What?
Almost. Oh my gosh.
I will love him.
Oh, he's on. Now he just needs to turn the handle around. Maybe you can turn the handle around for him, so he can go forward.
Oh, ow. I want to ride it.
You can get on behind him. How about that?
Behind him. And
There you go. There you go. Nice.
wow.
You gotta turn it.
Okay, there we go.
I
Go
want
for it. Go
to
ahead.
turn the wheel.
Go
Me,
ahead.
touch
Don't
me.
whine. He's not even holding it. He's fine. He's not even holding it.
He's holding it now.
Well, he is now, but he wasn't. Okay, turn it with him.
Wow,
Go ahead,
wow.
lift your feet. Oh, wait, no. His
Evans.
feet are
We can move.
on. All right, I think Evan wants to get off now.
Get off.
He might need some help.
I can do.
There you go.
Always do.
All right, now it's your turn.
So,